Второй класс, английский язык, звездный английский, мой день рождения, домашнее задание, страница 50, 51, 52, 53. English. Starlight 2. My birthday. Homework. Page number 50, 51, 52, 53. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 50. Exercise number 1. Сосчитай годовые кольца и напиши, сколько лет деревьям. How old are the trees? The answer. It's 7 years old. It's 5 years old. It's 9 years old. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 51. 51. Exercise number 2. Посмотри на картинку, прочитай предложение и напиши yes, если предложение правильное, или no, если предложение неправильное. The red square is in the tree. Yes. The green triangle is under the tree. The rabbit is on the umbrella. The dog is on the boat. The boy's kite is yellow. The girl's teddy bear is green. The answer. Yes, yes, no. Yes, yes, no. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 52. 52. We must do exercise number 1. Letter A. Прочитай предложение и раскрась предметы на картинке. B. Спроси у своих одноклассников, где находятся предметы. Ответь на их вопросы своих друзей, как показано в образце. Where's the yellow clock? It's in the cupboard. Where's the yellow clock? It's in the cupboard. The answer. The yellow clock in the cupboard. The blue robot is on the table. The green lamp is on the chair. Where's the yellow clock? It's in the cupboard. Where's the blue robot? It's on the table. Where's the green lamp? It's on the chair. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Сыграйте в игру, угадай, что это за фигура. Guess the shape. The answer: triangle, circle, rectangle, square. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. We must do exercise number 3. Прочитай поздравления с днем рождения и выбери правильные имена в предложениях с 1 по 4. Dear Ron, today is your birthday. You are 8. I just want to say happy birthday. Love, Mark. Jack, you are 9 today. Happy birthday. Love, Scott. Happy birthday, Stella. You are 8 today. From your friend, Tom. Happy birthday, Sam. You are 7 today. Love, Will. The answer: Ron is 8. Sam is 7. Stella is 8. Jack is 9. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Сделай поздравительную открытку с днем рождения для своего одноклассника. The answer: Dear John, today is your birthday. You are 9. I just want to say happy birthday. Love, Nika. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.